Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Di sini kami kelompok 1 akan mempresentasikan tentang strong language, webinar dialect dan scientific term. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sebelumnya perkenalkan saya Gwen Maulana.
Saya Rizky Anissa Ramadhani. Saya Siti.
Saya Adam Wijaya.
Saya Aku Kanada.
Saya mau bisa.
Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan tentang problem translation, yaitu beginner dialect, strong language, dan scientific term.
Regional dialect yaitu a regional dialect is a language variation used by a group of people in a specific geographic area. Dialects can differ in pronunciation or accent, comprehension, and grammar. From translation, strong language refers to words considered offensive, vulgar, taboo, or emotional extreme. And scientific terms are specialist vocabulary used in specific academic or technical fields. Problem statement of regional dialect arise because dialects are not only linguistically different, but also carry social, cultural, and identifying meanings that are difficult to transfer to other language. And strong language varies in intensity across cultures, making direct translation risky due to potential cultural inappropriateness or censorship. If softened too much, the emotional force and speaker intent might be significantly reduced. Thus, translator must balance faithful representation of the original tone with the cultural norm of the target audience. And third, scientific term. Scientific term require high precision, as even small error can distort the intended meaning. However, many technical terms lack clear or widely accepted equivalent in the target language. Consequently, translator must choose strategies that ensure their terminological accuracy while also considering the reader's level of knowledge. And this is prudence and argument. So in translating regional dialects, strong language, and scientific terminology, translator must prioritize communicative function and cultural appropriateness while maintaining semantic accuracy.
Problem analysis and test study. Root cause analysis by is difficult. 1. Regional dialect. Why regional dialect problem arise is because reduced intelligibility, social stigma, and prejudice, and also political and cultural identity. 5. Difference in language structure. 1. Phonology in example, pronounce the word car with an R sound, rhotic accent like American English, versus dropping the R sound, not rhotic as the past tense of the die.
Root cause analysis, regional dialects. The spectrum of the problem in regional dialects, in example like kon in dialect Surabaya have meaning kamu in Indonesian language. Also, in Javanese language, it's like swearing word that have meanings brengsek in Indonesian language. These two example is use dialects from Japanese language that also used in film Yellowstone. And two, strong translation. Strong translation arise from the recognitions that function, context, and target audience have equal, if not higher, priority than the linguistic structure of the source text. The fundamental difference in structure between the source language and the target language are the main reason why strong translation is necessary. Spectrum of the strong translation from mildly impolite to highly taboo, like, oh damn it, I spilled my coffee, mildly impolite, to fuck the police, highly taboo. Three, scientific terms. Scientific terms in translation theory arise primarily from the need to establish the file as a rigorous, systematic academic discipline or translation studies, and the care difficulties posed by structural difference between language are what necessitate many of these terms. This term precisely describe how and why a translation structure, grammar, word order, part of speech differs from the source text structure while preserving its meaning. The spectrum of problem in translation, expressed in scientific terms from translation theory, covers a range of challenges from minor linguistic difference to significant cultural barriers. This problem necessitates the use of specialized translation procedures or shifts to achieve equivalence. The example is like, I have a roof over my head, so I have a house to live in. This is use theory of translation modulation.
Dan kita study one regional dialect. From we were on a break, menjadi kami sedang istirahat. Why is fail? On a break in a relationship context mean a break or an official breakout, not a regular break. The literal translation make the character relationship seems like they're on a physical break, not a trouble one. Pragmatic error, but the social meaning translation relationship status is lost. And I can even menjadi aku bahkan tidak bisa. Why it fails? This expression is internet slang meaning I'm overwhelmed or speechless. And the literal translation is confusing.
advanced scientific terms, the virus is airborne. Artinya, virusnya terbang di udara. By its spell, airborne doesn't mean the virus fly, but rather it is transmitted through airborne particles. The literal translation suggests the virus moves like a physical object flying. Scientific terminology error, the technical meaning in epidemiology is lost. The impact misinformation and public misunderstanding about the mode of transmission. The patient is in critical condition. Artinya, pasien dalam kondisi kritis memikirkan sesuatu. When it is spelled, the word critical in medical context means extremely serious and life is not critical in the analytic sense. Well, friend translation of course, but English word that have different meaning in Indonesia. Pragmatic error, the medical context is not maintained. Let's study two regional dialect, like how criminals dialogue in the film To Kill a Mockingbird, which use the black English dialect. Now, Mr. Jung, then don't make it right. Artinya, tidak, Tuan Jung itu tidak membuatnya benar. But it's well. No and that are characteristic of the Southern African American dialect, not standard words. The literal translation makes California sound like a standard speaker, not from the Southern black community. Pragmatic error, social identity, and working class nuances are lost. Let's study two strong translation, like in Avengers Endgame, don't mess this up. Artinya, jangan berantakan bego. But it's false. Mess this up. Don't do anything wrong. No insult. The attention of stupid. Change the character relationship and tone of the dialogue. Pragmatic error. The intensity of the meaning increase drastically. Study 2, scientific terms. The patient shows signs of severe inflammation, particularly in the epithelial tissues. Basis. Artinya, pasien menunjukkan tanda-tanda peradangan parah, terutama pada jaringan kulit. By its scientific expression, the term epithelial disease is not the same as skin tissue. Skin is only one type of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue include the outer layer of skin, the lining of internal organ, gland, and other body parts. This translation minimizes the scope of its scientific meanings. 2. Loss of scientific specificity. Inflammation is correctly translated as inflammation, but the incorrect tissue making the sentence like the academic precision required in medical texts.
3. Theoretical framework and solution. Theoretical foundation or the solution toolkit for strategy for regional dialects. First, neutralization. A dialect is made into a standard language variability. 2. Dialect substitution. The source dialect is replaced with a local dialect that serves as equivalent function. Example, rural dialect to Japanese or Sundanese dialects. 3. Partial rendering. Only some dialects characteristic or spelling vocabulary are retained. 4. Gain dialect. Imitates non-standard spelling to create the impression of a dialect. 5. Compensation. If a dialect cannot be translated directly, the social nuance of the dialects are transferred to other aspects to select informal register. Relevant theory for regional dialect. First, NIDA, dynamic equivalence, focuses on the effect and social function of dialect for readers. 2. Phonetic domestication or foreignization. Domestication, dialect are replaced with local dialects. Foreignization, dialect are maintained as is. 3. New more, communicative versus semantic. Communicative, easy to understand, two dialects are often neutralized. Semantic, maintaining dialect from. 4. Baker, pragmatic equivalence, maintaining social meaning like class, ethnicity, and identity. Strategy for strong translation. Direct translation retains the original harshness. Softening or mitigation weakens the harsh word. Substitution, replace it with a local equivalent. Euphemization, softens it with indirect terms. Omission, remove it if it is not essential. Compensation shifts the harshness to another part. Relevant theory for strong translation. First, NIDA, dynamic equivalence, maintains the emotional impact of harsh word. Phonetic, domestication or foreignization. Domestication, use local harsh word. Foreignization, maintain the original form. New more, communicative translation, maintains cultural acceptability, too often softens. Baker, pragmatic equivalence, focuses on the social and emotional function of strong language. And last, Turing norm theory, choice are influenced by target language cultural norms like censorship and ethics. Strategy for scientific terms. Borrowing, maintaining the terminology like photosynthesis. Literal translation, a standardized direct translation. Calculus, translating the structure of terms like greenhouse effect. Descriptive translation, using a description if an equivalent is not available. Standardization, following official terminology like KBBI, WHO, and EUPAC. Relevant theory for scientific terms. Newmark, semantic translation, technical accuracy. Neither formal equivalent, scientific form and meaning are maintained. Terminology theory or Capri or Seger, consistency of terms. Scopus theory, selection of terms according to the purpose of the text.
Strategy application of regional dialect. Example. First, the use theory dynamic equivalent for translation. We were on a break. Jadi kami sedang istirahat. Why dynamic equivalent? First, I'm not talking about physical rest. He is talking about a relationship status of temporary breakup. Literal translation. So we are on a break. Lose the instant meaning. Dynamic equivalent. We are on a break in the relationship. Jadi yang benar if there is sudah aku pikir lebih baik aku cepat-cepat saja. Why is this functional equivalent? Translators are not looking for formal equivalent, but rather for an equivalent effect on the target reader. Strategi application of strong language. The strategy for the strong language is feel lousy, so I feel bad. In novel, the capture in the ray is usually generalization because the she is highly charged. Long lecture wrote in American English. Study application of scientific term. Inflammation occurs in the epithelial tissue. Menjadi peradangan terjadi pada jaringan kulit. Literatur itu jaringan kulit, not narrow the scientific meaning. Makes the reader think the inflammation happens only the skin, not lose technical accuracy needed in scientific writing. Semantic translation menjadi itu jaringan epitel. Preserve the exact scientific meaning, match terminology used in biology, maintaining technical precision in academic context. Correct target language menjadi peradangan terjadi pada jaringan epitel.
Evaluation and consequence. Strategi evaluation pro and cons yang buat regional dialek. Jadi ini tabelnya yang di sini strateginya, keunggulannya, kekurangannya dan apa yang dikorbankan dari teks tersebut. Yang pertama, ada strategi neutralization, 2 dialect substitution, 3 partial rendering, 4 idialect, 5 conversation. Consequence of its strategy. One, neutralization. The character lose their social or cultural identity. Translator readers accepting the character as more neutral, not belonging to a specific social class. The regional tone is completely lost. 2 dialect substitution. 3 partial rendering. 4 idialect. 5 conversation. Most appropriate strategy, which and why? It depends on the novel context, the audience, and the function of the dialect. However, in many cases of literary translation, partial rendering and conversation are the most balanced strategy. Why? Partial rendering prefer a bit of the dialect flavor to certain vocabulary and structure without making the translation text difficult to read. Conclusion: combining partial rendering and conversation is the most balanced because it protects the social identity of character, prefers pragmatic meaning, avoid misinterpretation, and maintains readability, aligning with neither continuity and human principle. 2. Strong language. Di sini tabel menjelaskan strategi, kelebihan, kekurangan, dan apa yang dikorbankan dari teks tersebut. Strategi yang pertama, direct translation. 2. Softening and mitigation. 3. translation for initiation, omission, and conversation. Consequence of X strategy: 1. Direct translation, 2. Facial rendering, 3. Emulation, 3. Sounding and mitigation, 4. Conversation, and 6. Omission. Most appropriate strategy: which and why. Substitution and conversation. Why? Neither dynamic equivalent goal. 2. Better pragmatic equivalent probability language. 3. Faculty balance communication or fairness. 4. Humor communicate vs semantic mass. 5. Theory for the language. Conclusion: substitution and conversation provide the most balanced solution. The translator prefers the emotional and semantic force of the strong language, respecting translator cultural norms and ensuring readability in alignment well with the theoretical framework of Nida, Faculty, Humor, Barker, and Theory. 3. Scientific terms. Di sini tabelnya, strateginya, kelebihannya, kekurangannya, dan apa yang digambarkan seperti tadi. Consequence of its strategy: 1. Borrowing and standardization, 2. Standardization, 3. Literal translation and calcul, 4. Calcul, 5. Descriptive translation. Most appropriate strategy: which and why. If the priority is the scientific accuracy must be maintained, then the most appropriate strategy are borrowing, standardization, semantic translation, humor, formal equivalence leader, terminology theory. If the priority is scientific term must be easily understood by general readers, then the best strategy are calcul, descriptive translations, focus theory, purpose improving compressibility.
Right, conclusion and discussion. Conclusion and implication by regional dialects. Conclusion: regional dialects are language variation that reflects the culture and identify of specific area. These dialects are not mistakes but an important part of linguistic diversity. Implication: understanding dialects can increase tolerance, reduce misunderstanding, and in communication and support cultural preservation. And then strong language. Conclusion: strong translation preserves the original meaning, style, and message accurately. Implication: it improves clarity, prevents misinterpretation, and is essential for professional texts that require high precision. 3. Scientific terms. Conclusion: strong translation ensure high semantic fidelity, maintaining the source text propositional meaning, pragmatic intent, and stylistic features with minimal deviation. Implication: it enhances interpretive accuracy, reduces linguistic ambiguity, and is critical in domains requiring precise information transfer such as scientific communication, legal documentation, and technical discourse. Thank you. Any question? Me. Nama nih. Yes.
Jangan susah-susah ya. Perkenalkan, nama saya Capriana Marica Ayu, nomor absen 19. Saya ingin bertanya, mengapa dialek substitution bisa berbahaya?
Saya menjawab, mengapa dialek substitution bisa berbahaya karena bisa membuat pembaca salah paham tentang sharing cerita.
Ya, terima kasih.
Ya kan?
Sudah dulu ada.
Ya kan?
Iya, ini dulu.
Ya. Perkenalkan, nama saya Enya Fatmawati, absen
menggunakan bahasa kasar dengan menggunakan kata yang lebih sopan atau tidak langsung. Jadi biar nggak terlalu kasar.
Ya, udah paham.
Halo, oke.
Perkenalkan, saya Melisya Chandra Putri, absen 9. Izin bertanya, mengapa translation berbahaya untuk strong language?
Baik, izin dijawab. Karena bisa vulgar dan melanggar norma daerah ya.
Baik, Pak, terima kasih.
Baik.
Selanjutnya
Ya,
Perkenalkan, nama saya Tendiri Kamesti dari nomor absen 25. Mengapa behavioral break tidak boleh diterjemahkan pada jam beristirahat?
Baik, izin menjawab. Karena konteksnya di sini hubungan romantis dan paus atau body bukan fisik. Ya.
Ya,
Kalau diterjemahkan secara literal, nanti maknanya akan beda.
oke, terima kasih.
sudah ada lagi.
Sudah.
Ya.
Baik. Sekian dari saudara